Welcome and thanks for taking time to watch the video. In part 1, we journeyed through the scenic Valparai Ghat roads, viewpoints, misty hills and rich forests, encountering elephants, gore, eagles and vibrant bird life, before finally reaching the serene Annerley estate. In part 2, our focus shifts to the estate, birding sessions and some unforgettable wildlife moments. Let's begin with a quick tour of the Annerley estate property, which became our base for this birding trip. The property features 3 well-maintained rooms in total, along with a common hall, a dining area and spacious parking, ideal for birders and small groups. Two rooms are located at the front of the bungalow, while the third room is situated next to the dining area, offering both convenience and privacy. Each room comes with 2 separate beds, a large attached bathroom, and enough space to comfortably accommodate an additional person. One of the highlights of the property is the spacious open front porch, perfect for morning coffee or evening tea, while relaxing and soaking in the peaceful estate views. We began our first afternoon birding session using our own car with one clear priority, spotting hornbills. And luck was on our side. We were thrilled to witness a family of 3 Indian great hornbills, an incredibly satisfying start to the trip. Watching these magnificent birds glide between tall forest canopies with their massive yellow bills and striking casque was a truly unforgettable experience and a highlight for any birder. Adding to the excitement, we also spotted a green Imperial-Pigeon perched high in the canopy, its calm presence and rich coloration making the moment even more rewarding. However, most internal estate roads are challenging. Our car struggled and we decided to hire a jeep for the next 2 days, an additional cost, but a necessary decision for smooth birding sessions ahead. The next morning greeted us with light drizzle, setting a calm and atmospheric mood for birding. Early on, we spotted a red-striped mongoose moving swiftly through the undergrowth, its sleek movement offering a brief but exciting mammal sighting to start the day. Hornbill sightings continued, reinforcing just how special this estate is. We watched them busily feeding on fruits high up in a forest tree, an essential role they play as seed dispersers in these forests. Their massive yellow bills, distinctive casque, and gentle movements as they hopped between branches made it a peaceful and rewarding sight. A pair of Vernal Hanging-Parrots perched atop a tree bursting with red flowers, small, brilliantly green and perfectly camouflaged. We also observed a red-whiskered bulbul sitting quietly on a perch, a familiar yet charming bird whose lively calls often add rhythm and character to the forest soundscape. Next, a pair of chestnut-headed Bee-eaters actively hunted insects in mid-air. One of them displayed an unusual behavior, possibly related to courtship or territorial display, adding curiosity to the moment. Then came a real surprise, a Rufous-bellied Eagle. Powerful and elusive, this forest raptor is rarely seen up close. Spotting it soaring above the canopy was a rare privilege and a personal lifer for me, making this session truly unforgettable. With that, we wrapped up the morning session on a high note. Our guide then suggested trying for lion-tailed macaques near Valparai and alerted some local contacts about our arrival. After breakfast, we headed toward Valparai. Along the way, we spotted a Nilgiri langur perched atop a tree in the gentle drizzle. Near the Valparai boating area, a Crested Serpent-Eagle came into view. Soon, we received an urgent call. Lion-tailed macaques had been spotted just outside Valparai town, near the forest boundary. We rushed to the location and managed to capture photos and videos of this rare and iconic primate. While returning toward Annalee, another incredible moment awaited us, a pair of Legge's hawk eagles circling overhead. The afternoon session was relatively quiet in terms of bird activity, with the forest settling into a slower rhythm after an eventful morning. We did manage to spot a western yellow wagtail, its bright plumage standing out beautifully as it moved along the open ground before bird activity gradually slowed down. With fewer birding opportunities, we shifted focus to the landscape itself, walking through vast stretches of tea plantations, crossing gentle streams, and taking in the soothing silence that defines these high-altitude estates. As evening approached, we went for a short, relaxed walk and were rewarded with sightings of a woodpecker and a bronzed drongo, both adding subtle movement and life to the fading light. As daylight slowly faded, we decided to end the session, watching the sun dip behind the hills, soaking in the cool breeze, and enjoying the peaceful surroundings that perfectly closed the day. For our final session, we shifted focus to the smaller birds within the estate, taking time to explore the quieter corners of the property. We recorded a pleasing variety of species, including a little spider hunter actively feeding among flowering plants, a jungle myna perched confidently atop a tree, a red-throated bulbul adding colour to the foliage, a white-browed wagtail moving gracefully near water, and the ever-calling white-cheeked barbet echoing through the trees. Meanwhile, our guide informed us that the Rufous-bellied Eagle had been spotted once again. We rushed to the location and were rewarded with another excellent sighting, allowing us to spend quality time observing and photographing this magnificent raptor as it moved effortlessly across the forested landscape. After a deeply fulfilling final morning in the field, filled with both small forest birds and a memorable raptor encounter, it was time to slowly wind down our last session of the trip. This birding trip to Anali Estate was filled with unforgettable wildlife encounters, rare sightings, and peaceful moments in nature. From hornbills and raptors to primates and misty landscapes, every session offered something special. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video inspires you to explore and conserve the incredible biodiversity of Valparai. Until next time, happy birding.